Guide to point source powered PAs for mobile professionals.
Introduction. Whether you're a DJ, musician, fitness instructor, or corporate presenter, the right portable PA can make all the difference. It ensures elevated listening experiences and quick, seamless setup. To help us understand what to look for, we spoke with Brandon Knudsen, Senior Product Manager at JBL Professional. Brandon shared his insight on point source powered systems and why JBL's PRX925 and PRX935 are smart options for mobile professionals. Understanding the basics. We asked Brandon, what defines a point source system? Brandon explained, point source or point and shoot powered loudspeakers pack amplification, DSP, and input-output functionality into one enclosure. Just plug in, power up, and you're ready to go. This streamlined approach slashes setup time, reduces gear count, and eliminates the learning curve of matching separate amps and crossovers. You simply point the speaker where you want audio, and it shoots it there. We then asked, how does a powered PA system differ from passive setups in terms of ease of use and reliability? Brandon told us, with powered PAs, you never have to worry about pairing an amp to a speaker cabinet or routing external crossovers. The result is consistent sound quality and far fewer opportunities for failure on the road, since the amplifier and transducer system are tuned specifically to each other. Application-specific advice. We also asked Brandon, what should DJs, musicians, and mobile pros look for when choosing a portable PA system? Brandon said, you'll want enough output to comfortably fill your typical crowd size, plus driver configurations that suit your content, larger woofers for deep bass and dance music sets, or focused mid-high drivers for clear instructor cues. Onboard DSP tools like EQ presets, feedback suppression, and limiter functions help you dial in great sound fast. We followed up. How do venue size and audience type influence the choice of speaker configuration? Brandon explained, in smaller rooms, a single full-range enclosure can often do the job. For mid-size venues, a combination of mains plus a subwoofer delivers a perfect stereo image with a well-balanced frequency response. Large halls or outdoor events typically call for multiple tops and subs, geometrically placed to achieve even coverage and avoid hotspots. Next, we asked, what are the most common mistakes when setting up PA systems? Brandon shared, speaker placement is generally the biggest mistake. Knowing where your bass frequencies are accentuated helps control overactive low frequencies, while keeping your speakers at proper distances away from each other helps preserve the stereo image while minimizing lobing and frequency cancellation. Performance and durability. We asked, how does JBL ensure consistent quality across different environments? Brandon explained, JBL's Class D amplifiers, precision-engineered drivers, and acoustically optimized DSP presets work together to maintain sonic integrity. The system dynamically adapts to prevent overload, so you get tight bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs. We also asked, what should users look for in a durable portable PA system? Brandon said, JBL's PRX900 series cabinets are built from strong, lightweight materials like polypropylene blends and 18mm birch with optimized bracing. They also feature Duraflex coatings for superior durability. Every JBL product undergoes a 100-hour stress test, and the PRX900 series is backed with a 7-year warranty. Spotlight Solution, JBL PRX925 and PRX935, powered loudspeakers. We asked, what inspired the development of the PRX925 and PRX935, and how do they expand the versatility of the PRX900 series? Brandon shared, the JBL PRX800 series supported a dual two-way and three-way design, and as we built the PRX900 series, we engineered some high-performing transducers that we felt could drastically improve over the PRX825 and 835. The PRX925 offers a dual two-way design with two 15-inch woofers that extend frequency response so low, you can shake the walls without a subwoofer. The PRX935 offers a balanced three-way design perfect for public address and house of worship applications, adding a dedicated mid-driver for crystal-clear vocals. We then asked, how does the JBL Pro Connect app simplify system management? Brandon explained, the app turns smartphones and tablets into full-featured system management consoles. Demo mode lets you explore capabilities without owning a speaker, and users can configure and save system settings without being connected. Additionally, they can group speakers, rename channels, and more, all from their device. Technical deep dive. We asked Brandon to contrast PRX925's dual 15-inch two-way design and PRX935's three-way single 15-inch design. He explained, PRX925's dual woofers boost low-frequency extension for music-heavy gigs. PRX935's three-way layout excels at intelligibility and clarity at any volume. We also asked, how does the birch cabinet enhance low-end response compared to polypropylene enclosures? Brandon responded, birch plywood is stiffer and less resonant than polypropylene. It offers tighter bass and better road resilience under heavy use, with the trade-off of being considerably heavier than polypropylene. Real-world feedback. We asked, what feedback have you received so far on the PRX925 and PRX935? Brandon shared, rental houses appreciate the PRX925's distortion-free bass, which significantly enhances low end in a variety of spaces. Corporate and house of worship managers like the PRX935's mid-driver that cuts through noise in larger halls, keeping presenters sounding crystal clear. For complete details, specifications, and where to buy, check out the description below or visit us at jblpro.com.